Next see example 2.17. Find the square root of 6 minus 8i. Find the square root of 6 minus 8i. We know that square root of 6 minus 8i. The formulas, square root formulas, root of a plus ib can be written as plus or minus square root of modulus z plus a divided by 2 plus I into b by modulus b square root of modulus z minus a divided by 2. So we need the value of modulus z. Modulus z. Okay. So find it modulus z for here. Let z be the complex number. Given complex number is 6 minus 8i. Now find it modulus z. Modulus z is nothing but modulus of 6 minus 8i. Which is equal to, we know that modulus of z can be written as, modulus of z can be written as square root of x square plus y square by the definition of modulus of complex number. By the definition of modulus of complex number says that, what Rama? Modulus z is equal to, modulus z is equal to, yeah, square root of x square plus y square. So square root of 6 square here plus, so plus y square, y is here minus 8 square, which is equal to square root of 6 squared is 36 minus 8 squared is minus 64. Am I right? No, why? Yeah, minus whole square. Okay, so minus into minus plus. So plus 64, which is equal to modulus z equal to square root of 36 plus 64 is 100. Most of the students here do the mistake. The values here plus, but you can write it here minus, 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 minus. Okay, so don't do the mistake dakana. Here positive values always occur. Don't forget that. Okay. Now modulus of z is equal to 100. We know that a formula is, what is the formula? Square root of a plus ib, which is equal to, you know the formula? Say it, Amma. The formula is plus or minus square root of modulus z plus a divided by 2. See, easily understand a formula first. Don't. Okay. See, here square root common, here also square root common. Am I right? Modulus z common, a is common, 2 is common. Okay. Only the symbol is here plus a, here minus a. Am I right? It is real part, so I does not exist. It is a imaginary part, so I compulsory exist. B by modulus b only extra exist. Okay. So what is the formula? Square root of a plus ib equal to plus or minus square root of modulus z plus a by 2 plus or plus I into b by modulus b square root of modulus z minus a divided by 2. Close your eyes, say a formula. All are said, Amma? Okay, see. Once again, say the formula. What is the formula? Square root of, am I right? Square root of here. A square plus b square plus a by 2 plus I into b by modulus b square root of a square plus b square minus a by 2. This is one type of formula. And the backside formula, another formula is, what is it? Square root of modulus z plus a by 2 plus I into b by modulus b square root of modulus z minus a by 2. All are memorize the formula, Mama? Yeah. What is it? Square root of a plus ib equal to square root of modulus z plus a by 2 plus I into b by modulus b square root of modulus z minus a by 2. Okay. Now here a is equal to 6, b is equal to minus 8. A is equal to 6, b is equal to minus 8. We know that one note. What is the note? b by modulus b value negative means, that is minus 1 means b value is negative, and b by modulus b value positive means b is positive. So here the formula changes. B by modulus b value positive means write it here plus, or otherwise b by modulus b value negative means here write it as minus. Here plus, write it as minus symbol. Okay, now see here b values minus 8. Substitute here b by modulus b, which is equal to b values minus 8 divided by modulus minus 8, which is equal to minus 8 divided by modulus minus 8 is also positive 8, which is equal to 8 by 8 cancels minus 1. We got negative value. We got it negative value. Minus 8 by plus 8 get cancelled. So which is equal to minus 1. We got it a negative value. Negative value means, write the formula negative. So what does the formula say again? Square root of a plus ib, which is equal to square root of modulus z plus a by 2 minus here I into b by modulus b square root of modulus z minus a by 2. Okay. Now write it here the modulus value. Square root of modulus z is, we found modulus z values square root of 100. Square root of 100 is nothing but 10. Okay, now write it here. Modulus z values 10 plus a values 6 by 2 minus I into b by modulus b values negative. Okay, so minus 1 into square root of modulus z is 10. Am I right? 10 minus a is here 6 divided by 2, which is equal to, or otherwise you write it here positive means directly you write it here minus I. Okay, here minus 1, so minus 1 into I minus I. Both the results are same only. Okay, so square root of 10 plus 6, 16 by 2 minus I into square root of 10 minus 6, 4 by 2, which is equal to square root of 16 by 2. 1 2 is 2, 8 is 16, 1 2 is 2, 2 is 4. So square root of 8 minus I into square root of 2. Square root of 8 can be written as 4 into 2 minus I root 2. It can be written as square root of 4 into square root of 2 minus I root 2. Square root of 4 can be written as root 2 square. Square root get cancelled. So 2 root 2 minus I root 2, which is equal to, what is LHS? Square root of 6 minus 8i is nothing but 2 root 2 minus I root 2. 2 root 2 minus I root 2. Okay. Not only this result. Okay. Don't forget to write it here plus or minus. Most of the students do this mistake only. Okay. Most of the students do this mistake only. Because of a formula is plus or minus. Okay.